Foodies, welcome to the Spice Junction. Today I am here with a flagship recipe of my mother-in-law to make bitter gourd flatbread. Traditionally, this recipe is called chilki roti or Karela Parantha. As you may all know that Karelas are really bitter, but in making of this recipe, I have removed the bitterness of Karelas completely. And I bet you're gonna relish this one. With unlimited health benefits, this recipe will surely be on your weekly plan list. So let's get started.
So friends, in this recipe we are going to use Karela skin. So the first step will be start peeling off the skin using a knife. Keep on collecting the skin of peeled Karela into some bowl or into some tray. Here I have used 2 large Karela. This much quantity is perfect to yield 4 or 5 paranthas. Now it's time to squeeze out the juice completely out of your Karela mixture and collect the dried out skin separately into a bowl. Once this process is done, marinate it with 1 teaspoon of salt. This will help to remove the bitterness from the skin. Mix it well and refrigerate overnight. To remove the extra salt from your marinated Karela skin, rinse it thoroughly 2 to 3 times and strain it well. Squeeze out the extra water using a strainer. Let's start adding 1 medium-sized finely chopped onion, 1 teaspoon salt and half teaspoon red chili powder. Mix it properly. Ta-da! Our Karela stuffing is ready, guys. Now take a medium-sized wholemeal dough and roll it in the form of a ball. Apply some water on the dough and put that side on your Karela mixture. Dab your fingers in water and flatten the dough a little bit. This step will really help the Karela mixture to stick on your dough. Sprinkle some oil on a heated pan and put your bread on the pan and further flatten it with the help of a damp fingers. Apply a little bit of oil on the flattened bread and roast it from both sides on a medium to high heat. Let it roast completely from both sides. Our parantha is going to be ready in 2 to 3 minutes, guys. Our parantha is ready. Let's serve it.